Hey everyone, Matt from Soundrolling.com. It's been a long time, my friends, but I wanted to do a new video, hence the fancy background. And so I'm testing out this today, the W.Lav. As you can see, fresh seal. Oh, love fresh seal. This is what you get in the box. And that's what we're going to be going through. So the W.Lav is new from Deity. There's actually 3 different kind of versions of this. There's the W.Lav, which is this basic model. There's the W.Lav Pro, and there's the W.Lav Micro. So we'll basically be discussing a little bit about that. And always got to carry some fancy, massive scissors. Okay, we've got a lovely silica gel. That's always good, keeping the moisture away. We've got the warranty. We've got a little Deity business card, basically. We've got our instruction pack. That's always kind of useful. And of course, the box. Okay, let's open it up. Ta-da! Okay, so we've got some Rycode stickers straight off the bat. Double-sided, looks like it's built straight for going on. I think this was their new advanced ones, if I remember correctly. Now, this is probably one of the main reasons to take interest. So the whole point is that this is a type of microdot, meaning that although this is a locking 3.5 millimeter, you can also get this as a TA5? Yeah, TA5 female or TA4. So that's obviously all your electrosonics and any 4-pin TAs that you need as well. Very, very exciting. We've got this massive furry here. Again, probably because this is aimed at least people getting started out. And so there is also this lovely kind of black tape. It's quite interesting. Yeah, kind of pretty sticky tape. I don't quite know what to say about that. Then, of course, more stickers, which is what fell out earlier. And one of their advanced covers as well that you could add on top of one of those. So it's nice to see that you get a little starter pack as well. Obviously, it'll work with loads of the other accessories that you're familiar with. And then this is the actual microphone. So you can see here, I mean, fairly chunky for starting out, but again, this is the basic model. The W.Lav Pro goes to just 4 millimeters in diameter, and the Micro goes to 3 millimeters, which is kind of ridiculous. This is the microdot kind of technology. You will be able to buy these separately as well, I have been told. Oh, you can be quite firm with that, actually. So yeah, don't be scared. Locking in. And then, yeah, that'll lock into your G3 or a Deity Connect, which I'll be doing as well. So yeah, nice form factor. Again, I guess the general idea is kind of prosumer, kind of starting indie filmmaker vibes, which is what I love about this company. And it comes with a range of handy accessories. So that is pretty much what you get in the box. What else does it say? So in terms of tech specs, it's obviously omnidirectional, 50 hertz to 20 kilohertz, sensitivity -40, give or take 2 decibels. Signal to noise ratio is greater than 67 decibels, and the maximum noise is 110. So again, a great starter microphone. And what you've got in the leaflet here is basically an accessories list of what else you can get. You've got the frequency patterns, more stats, and even some tips on how to hide and stick these things down, which is always very nice of them. Written in English and in Chinese, which is also very handy if your Mandarin isn't up to scratch. So there we have it, the W.Lav. Very exciting product. You get all of this for £120 VAT, give or take. I'm doing a quick scour of the internet. Most interesting fact is, of course, that if you want the TA5 or the TA4 connector, it'll be around it'll be like £10 more. That's including VAT, so you can knock off 20% if you're a business. And yeah, I think this is really good. Personally, I would end up using this as a backup, obviously either for a G3 or in a scenario where I think that the mic is going to get pretty well trashed, because, you know, cheap and cheerful. That's what it's all about when you're starting out, right? Let me know what you think down below. Let me know what you think down below. And I'll see you next time.